5 life lessons that I learned at the age of 16 that changed my perspective of seeing things. Now the question is why you should prioritize yourself, cause there is no motivation kind of shit. The only thing that will force you, that will give you that inner motivation, that will give you the confidence to do things that you want to do now is your inner voice, your inner feelings and your inner confidence. जो कि आप किसी के दूसरे के वीडियोस देख के किसी के लाइफ से इंस्पायर होकर नहीं बिल्ड कर सकते हो। वो बिल्ड होता है आपकी डेली वर्क से, आपके डेली रूटीन से एंड पुटिंग योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट एवरीवेयर, नॉट जस्ट प्लीजिंग एनीबडी, बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज सम प्रॉब्लम्स विद यू, नो मैटर व्हाट यू डिड फॉर देम इन योर लाइफ. एंड हियर इज हाउ आवर सेकंड लाइफ लेसन कम्स. द लाइफ लेसन नंबर 2. If you do 99 things for anyone, for anybody and for your special ones too, but they will remember that one thing you didn't did for them and just took 99 things for granted, because it's just a human behavior and human nature to just focus on that imperfection thing and not just what the perfect and what the activities they did in your life. And the third life lesson that I learned recently on 13th May is no matter how much hard work you do for something, how much sacrifices you made for something, they only just see results, what you came in with at the end. Cause no one will see your sacrifice, no one will see your hard work. Other people see only your result, not your hard work and your sacrifices. So just do it for yourself, do it for your inner self and do it for your satisfaction, not for someone's gratification. Learn from your own past previous mistakes, not just see your results, just see what mistakes you did at that time and try to improve it, not for someone's gratification but for your satisfaction. And the fourth life lesson that I learned at the age of 16 is you become what you surround yourself with. It's a common lesson that everyone tells to you, but I learned it from my own life and from my own mistakes. I scored 27 number in my 8th pre-board math exam because I was surrounded by the people who just don't give a fuck to the marks, their parents' sacrifices. They just keep chilling and living their life out, which was okay for that age, but that age will gradually comes with big responsibility and big dreams, cause age is just a number. If you have big dreams, you have to work from 13, 14, 15, 16, whatever your age is, to get it by your 20s. Similarly, in my 10th pre-board, I scored 98 marks in my math. Wow, that change, that big change. It was not just overnight change. It took me years to just change myself and isolate myself from the peoples I love with. I love to spend my time with them. But at the end of the day, it's you versus you. I just cut off myself from anyone. It was just me alone with 1 or 2 my homies. We are just working on ourselves, working on our future, and till now we are working on our future, and we will work for it till the end. And the last life lesson that I got at the age of 16 is you have to work like your 20s to get your dreams by your 20s. It's not just a simple statement, because it takes so much confidence, discipline and inner motivation. Because if you want to be big in your life, you have to work like a big. You have to work 11 or 10 hours or 14 hours in a day to achieve what you want. You have to work like your 20s now in your teenage life, 14 to 18, to get your all dreams by your 20s. Because maturity does not comes with the age but with the acceptance of truth. Currently I am 16 and I am working 11 to 13 hours a day, including my gym, scripting, learning, reading book and my study, that I separate 8 to 9 hours because I am preparing for JEE and BITSET. So that in August I can start a series named as 100 hours of productivity in a week. It will help me to be consistently doing what I'm doing now and just upgrading myself up, scaling myself up to get what the dreams I wrote on my note and what the dreams that I stick on my wall. It's not just easy, but you have to do it. It's compulsory. It was not easy to gain this physique at the age of 16 naturally that someone dreamed of at the age of 22 and 24, or like in their 20s. But it was compulsory for me cause I got bullied up. मतलब मेरे को लोग चिढ़ाते थे, हंसते थे मेरे पे. That was not my kind of set. I worked for it, I got it, I am working for it, I will get it. Thank you. Stay connected with me. We will soon back. Signing off with this Adarsh Singh.